What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that the engine is going in the Jeep. Engine is bolted in and we are ready to install the headers. And for the headers, Holley sent over a set of their Hooker LS swap headers. These will be linked down in the description. All right, guys, so we were able to get the engine in, headers on, intake plenum on. Everything is finally starting to come together just a little bit. Now, I do have to figure out a way to mount the transmission to that bracket that was provided with the T-case adapter kit. So I went ahead and ran over to Lowe's and picked up some 1/4-inch steel. Hopefully that's going to be able to do what we need it to do. But that does mean that we've got to fabricate something. So hopefully I still got it. To be honest, I never really had it. I've never called myself a fabricator. I did build the bed that's on the Jeep, but that's kind of the extent of my fabrication. But let me show you guys real quick what it is that I'm talking about and what we're gonna have to do to make this work. So this is the bracket that comes on the transfer case adapter, and this is going to be our bushing energy suspension, part number 1036. We're going to put these two pieces together, bolt it to the underside of that, and then we'll have 3 mount holes to be able to secure this to the plate that we're going to fab up. We are going to have one more issue though, and that is that this cross member is going to need to be either trimmed or completely removed, because as you can see, the transfer case is making contact and it can't go up any higher, and I need that T-case to be up quite a bit higher. All right, guys, so it's not the prettiest, but it definitely is going to hold. So I had actually bought 2 of these, and I was going to use the other one to create some gussets to go underneath. However, I realized I've got a couple inches of extra material here, and I've spent enough money on this project already. So if I can save that other piece, I'm going to. What I'm going to actually do here is cut off this extra and use these for the gussets. All right, so it is undoubtedly not the prettiest thing in the world. I wanted to make sure that this thing was going to be nice and strong and that it was going to solve our problem, and that is to support the transfer case and transmission. Now that that's done, all I have to do is mark and drill out all of the holes, and then we'll jump underneath the Jeep and trim out the portion of that cross member that I was telling you guys about earlier. Cutting this thing out, that sucked. Now, I'll be honest, I'll be the first one to tell you guys, I did not think that was gonna line up as good as it does. I was almost completely certain that nothing was gonna work out of what I just made, but looks like everything is going to work. Hopefully it goes together like I think it will, and that should be that. All right, guys, here's the moment of truth. We'll let the jack out. Let's see. happens. Nice. We are all set. I cannot tell you guys how stoked I am that that worked the way that it was supposed to. You, sir, you've earned your keep. So that was a ton of work, a little bit more than I was actually anticipating, but everything is finally bolted in and we are finally ready to start wiring this thing up. Now, I know that wiring can be a pretty daunting task for most of us, but you guys saw in the last video that we got the Holley Terminator X Max system. That's going to make the wiring for this thing a breeze, but that is for another video. I will see you guys in the next one.